Hi, I'm Andrew Lukashuk, and this is for my class CIS 3500, Software Design and Engineering at the University of Pennsylvania with Professor Jérémie Lumbroso. And the title of the short story I'll be reading today is The Day of the Harmonious Convergence. And this is about a protopia, or like a hopeful story for technology in the future. In a not so distant future, a quiet revolution took root in the bustling heart of Metrovale, a city where software wasn't merely a tool, but a transformative force that reshaped society. Here, advanced algorithms and community-driven digital platforms had redefined every facet of life, from the economy to the very fabric of civic engagement. Mara, a seasoned software engineer, had long believed that technology could mend societal fractures if designed with care. Her latest project, Convergence, was an open source platform that connected diverse communities by pooling local resources, skills, and aspirations. As the platform evolved, it became a digital meeting ground for artisans, educators, healthcare workers, and policymakers, all driven by a shared vision to gradually improve life while respecting the imperfections of the human condition. Every morning, Mara walked through neighborhoods where augmented reality murals celebrated local history, each stroke of digital art echoing the personal stories of residents. The software-driven murals were more than art. They were living archives that reminded people of their common past and potential future. Children, once isolated by socioeconomic divides, now played together in parks where interactive educational games, powered by convergence, made learning a communal adventure. Yet not all was without challenge. As the platform empowered citizens with access to real-time information and resources, it also exposed the complex trade-offs of digital integration. Local businesses, once resistant to change, were learning to adapt by integrating ethical AI tools to streamline operations and minimize environmental impact. Even as job roles shifted, many citizens saw new opportunities emerging in sectors that prized human empathy and ethical oversight skills that no machine could replicate. The balance of progress was delicate. Every algorithm was designed to augment human decision-making, not replace it, ensuring that the wisdom of lived experience was never lost. During a community forum held in the newly built Civic Hub, a structure as much a digital construct as a physical one, the mayor spoke of how software had transformed governance itself. Our city's policies are now informed by data and driven by citizen voices, she declared, her words resonating in a room filled with individuals from every walk of life. Yet she also acknowledged the challenges: privacy, algorithmic bias, and the ever-present risk of centralization. The conversation was vibrant and honest, a testament to a society that had grown wise enough to embrace both technology and its inherent imperfections. Mara listened intently, realizing that convergence was more than a software project. It was a social catalyst. It reminded her of the pioneers of science fiction, whose visionary ideas once lit the path for real-world innovation, just as Asimov's ethical frameworks and Gibson's cyberspace had shaped early tech dreams. Convergence was now redefining what technology could mean for society. It was a nod to Protopian thinking, a world not striving for perfection, but for steady, meaningful progress. That evening, as the sun set over Metrovale's skyline, Mara joined a small gathering in a rooftop garden. Here, citizens from different backgrounds exchanged stories of how digital tools had reconnected them with old dreams and forged new communities. A retired teacher shared how an interactive learning module helped her granddaughter explore science in ways traditional classrooms never could, while a local farmer recounted how predictive algorithms had helped him optimize sustainable practices on his land. In that moment, amidst laughter and shared hope, it was clear that software had indeed become a vital part of the societal mosaic. It had not erased all problems, nor had it delivered an unattainable utopia. Instead, it had facilitated a dynamic interplay of progress, dialogue, and shared humanity. A genuine protopia where every incremental improvement nudged society toward a brighter, more inclusive future. Yeah, so just for kind of, I guess, quick reflection on kind of the inspiration and challenges. My main inspiration for this kind of story was just to see, I guess, mainly through generative AI tools, the idea of a kind of Protopia from that perspective, and just kind of comparing it to mine. Since I'm new to the term Protopia, as in this class is my first time kind of seeing it, I kind of see the whole point of incremental, kind of just realistic improvements to life that can be possible with technology, and how we can use it to just make our lives better. As a utopia is not realistic or attainable, but instead of having a protopia, and we kind of saw in this story about how just being able to use it to just connect people with all different backgrounds together, and just making lives just incrementally better for everyone by using technology. And I guess this could be kind of a big inspiration for what we can do in the future with software, and just trying to make software connect people, and just make people, I guess, like work together more and just bring people together.